Quotes on the power of the mind. 1. The mind is everything. What you think you become. 2. All that we are is the result of what we have thought. The mind is crucial. 2. To enjoy good health, to bring true happiness to one's family, to bring peace to all, one must first discipline and control one's own mind. 4. Nothing can harm you as much as your own thoughts unguarded. The 5. Rule your mind or it will rule you. Quotes on inner peace and letting go. 6. Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. 7. You will not be punished for your anger. You will be punished by your anger. 8. Holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the one who gets burned. 9. The root of suffering is attachment. 10. Quiet the mind, and the soul will speak. Quotes on living in the present. 11. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future, and concentrate the mind on the present moment. 12. Every morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most. 13. Be where you are, otherwise you will miss your life. 14. The only real failure in life is not to be true to the best one knows. 15. Living a life of anxiety is like carrying a burning ember in your hands. Quotes on wisdom and self-growth. 16. No one saves us but ourselves. No one can and no one may. We ourselves must walk the path. 17. Purity or impurity depends on oneself. No one can purify another. 18. It is a man's own mind, not his enemy or foe, that lures him to evil ways. 19. 3 things cannot be long hidden: the sun, the moon, and the truth. 20. An insincere and evil friend is more to be feared than a wild beast. A wild beast may wound your body, but an evil friend will wound your mind.